Hi there, this is Paige with Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you my project for the Pinspiration collaboration. This is hosted by Kreationsby Kimber, and here's a little sneak peek of what I'm about to share with you. So my inspiration came from this card right here. It is from, let's see if I can read it, it's really fuzzy, the Cow Whisperer CreativeCards.com. And what drew me to this was I was recently using some washi tape with my granddaughter, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have a lot of washi tape I need to be using. So I checked my Pinterest board for the cards I had pinned that used washi tape, and this one came up. And then I loved how that little cat punch was used on here, popped up above the washi tape so the patterns would go through. And I don't have that cat punch, and so I decided I would do some Easter ones. So let me show you what I made. So I did one of these in purple and one of these in yellow. And I just took washi tape on a white layer and just ran the strips across, kind of measured with my die cut, and I believe this was a Spellbinders die. And I layered white onto purple cardstock and then die cut through them. This is a little glitter foam bow I had in my stash. And then for the inside I just used another white layer and some more washi tape, and this was the little bunny peep that was die cut from the white layer. Just put it on the inside. And then the yellow one I did exactly the same way. Then I decided to pull out another bunny die, and this one is from the Stamps of Life, and it also came with this little bow die that I die cut with cardstock and then just added a white enamel heart in the middle of the bow. And on this one you can see that I did the washi tape going up and down, angled the little bunny on there. In my mind I was thinking a chocolate Easter bunny that you get in your Easter basket. So then on the inside of this one I just did the washi tape again and the white bunny that gets cut out. And then for this one I did the stripes going across, and again angled the bunny. The little bunnies on all 4 cards are popped up with dimensionals. And there's the inside. Now, somewhere in my stash I have a stamp that says Bite Me. It came with an Easter set, so I'm thinking of stamping that on the inside. And then I have another stamp in my stash. I just can't locate it right now, but it says You're My Favorite Peep. And I was going to add that to the purple and the yellow cards. So as soon as I locate that stamp, I will stamp it right down there in the corner. So anyway, those are my 4 cards this time, inspired by this pin right here. I'd like to thank you for joining me. I'll leave a link down below to all the participants in this collaboration, and check out what inspired them this month. And now I'm off to create.